This video contains general information that is not intended to apply to all persons and situations. I expressly disclaim any liability with respect to actions taken or not taken based on any or all the contents on this video. Planting evidence. Planting evidence generally falls into four groups. It's either under RA 9165 on the Comprehensive Dangerous Drugs Act, RA 10591 Comprehensive Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act, PD 1866 Law on Explosives, or the Revised Penal Code. Now for the first one, under Dangerous Drugs Act of 2002, criminal liability for planting of evidence. Any person who is found guilty of planting any dangerous drug and or controlled precursor and essential chemical, regardless of quantity and purity, shall suffer the penalty of death. Now this has been amended to life imprisonment as per RA 9346. Now for the Firearms and Ammunition Regulation Act, liability for planting evidence. The penalty of prisión mayor and its maximum period, 10 years and 1 day to 12 years, shall be imposed upon any person who shall willfully and maliciously insert, place, and or attach directly or indirectly through any overt or covert act any firearm or ammunition or parts thereof in the person, house, effects, or in the immediate vicinity of an innocent individual for the purpose of implicating or incriminating the person or imputing the commission of any violation of the provisions of this act to said individual. If the person found guilty under this paragraph is a public officer or employee, such person shall suffer the penalty of reclusión perpetua, which is 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Law on explosives. Section 4A provides criminal liability for planting evidence. Any person who is found guilty of planting any explosive or incendiary device or any part, ingredient, machinery, tool, or instrument of any explosive or incendiary device, whether chemical, mechanical, electronic, electrical, or otherwise, shall suffer the penalty of reclusión perpetua, 20 years and 1 day to 40 years. Okay, now it is defined here, planting evidence shall mean the willful act by any person of maliciously and surreptitiously inserting, placing, adding, or attaching directly or indirectly through any overt or covert act, whatever quantity of any explosive or incendiary device or any part, ingredient, machinery, tool, or instrument of any explosive or incendiary device, whether chemical, mechanical, electronic, electrical, or otherwise, in the person, house, effects, or in the immediate vicinity of an innocent individual for the purpose of implicating, incriminating, or imputing the commission of any violation of this degree. Now for the Revised Penal Code. Chapter 2, Incriminatory Machinations. Article 363 provides incriminating innocent person. Now, any person who by any act not constituting perjury shall directly incriminate or impute an innocent person in the commission of a crime shall be punished by arresto minor, which is 1 to 30 days. Okay, I hope all that I said was helpful. Thank you for listening to this video. Please like, share, and subscribe. Have a great day. Bye.